Hello, and welcome to Live Speaking. In this tutorial, we will show you how to access your attendance and feedback reports. After each lesson, your teacher will fill in information about your attendance and participation in the lesson. To view the report, enter the Burlington app and click My Schedule. A list of your current, past, and future lessons appears. The report will give you information about your past lessons. The lessons you attended will be marked in green. The lessons you missed will be marked in red. At the top right of the blue bar, you can see how many lessons you attended out of the total number of lessons you signed up for. On the right side of each row below, there is an additional indication of whether you attended this lesson or not. For the lessons you attended, a report icon will appear. Click on the icon next to a lesson to see your report in that lesson. The report contains two charts that provide you with feedback about your progress and performance in that lesson. The first chart shows your performance in that lesson compared to the overall class performance, as well as your performance in the previous lesson. The second chart shows your performance according to the learning goals of that lesson, with details about your performance. You can also view your progress and performance information according to the rubric criteria. Click on the report icon on the blue bar at the top right to open the report. Click on the rubric filter to select the specific rubric criteria you would like to see the information for. You can also select and adjust the date range for the results. Periodically, you will receive a progress report from Live Speaking. You now know how to access your attendance and feedback reports.